Yo 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 yo, these are all the new working codes inside of Grow a Garden. I'm gonna be redeeming every single working code inside of Grow a Garden. You can actually redeem yourself a bunch of crazy seeds in Grow a Garden, just like this one. Look at one super seed over here, which actually gives you rainbow or golden plants. It's super cool, I know, but anyways, in today's video we'll be going over and actually redeeming every single code you can actually redeem in Grow a Garden. So if you open up your settings right now, you can actually just go ahead and literally redeem every single code inside of Grow a Garden. Always check up on the shop, is there anything there? Wait, seeds! Wait, what are the seeds at? Can I get some seeds? Okay, nothing. Oh wait, I did get the amber lily as well, right? Amber. We get the amber lily as well as the cacao seed. I can't even... Okay, we get a cow. Coconut seed. Chocolate sprinkles. Okay. Corn. What about pink lily? Okay, how do you even get the sunflower? Oh, from the flower packs, right? Sunflower, please? 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 Alright, we didn't get it. We didn't even get it. Anyways, let's actually go ahead and redeem every single code inside of Grow a Garden. Come on. Can I jump up, please? Can I jump up, please? Alright. This is the perfect location, by the way. Open up the chat, alright? Do not miss out on any of these codes. I'll be going over and literally redeeming every single code in Grow a Garden. As you guys can see, you can simply redeem these codes inside of Grow a Garden at the bottom of your screen. So, the first code that you actually want to redeem is pretty simple. It is going to be the summer code. This is the summer code. Summer code. This code is for the upcoming update. So this code is a upcoming code. This code will probably drop inside of the summer update of Grow a Garden. So you can expect this code inside of the summer update of Grow a Garden. As you guys can see, can't really redeem it yet, but in the summer update, we can actually redeem this code. The next code will be crafting. Craft ing. This is exactly how you type it. crafting. This is literally what you want to type in the chat. Alright, so once you actually type this in the chat, you can simply redeem this code, but this code is also an upcoming code for the next update, which you can't really redeem. So far you can't really redeem that code yet, so you do have to wait a little bit before you can actually redeem this code. Once you actually join Grow a Garden, you can get yourself tons and tons of cool plants. And if you really want to become a professional, you need to scroll down, hit the like button, and comment cotton seed. Comment cotton seed, just like this. COTTON seed, cotton seed. Comment cotton seed, just like this, in the comments down below. That's how you literally become the professional Grow a Gardener. You can be as good as me or even better. We still aren't the best player, okay? We still aren't the best. We have to expand the garden. It's gonna take me 2 days, which is kind of a long time, but I did one expansion over here and the sides, so we are already getting a lot of free space. Anyways guys, if you really like this, like, subscribe.